It is exactly 1 year since the baby Laetisia and baby Sera, the 2 and 3 old baby, were arrested in Bamising village in the Ngoketunja division of northwestern of Cameroon, together with their mother, their mothers, their grandmother, their auntie, and their uncle, and detained at the Gendarmerie Brigade, where they were later on transferred to Bamenda after severe acts of torture that Mr. Weyang Julius, their uncle, as well as their grandmother, Madame Wo Sera, underwent from the hands of the members of the security forces at the Gendarmerie Brigade in Ndop. These people have spent exactly 1 year at detention since the 24th day of June 2025 that were arrested to 24th day of June 2026. Their first court hearing was at the Bamenda Military Tribunal on the 18th day of June 2026, which I personally led the team of concerns African that we were in court to monitor how the situation is going. And these accused persons, the defendant, pleaded not guilty for the crime leveled against them, which is crime of failure to denounce separatists and failure to and harboring separatists. So it's very regrettable situation in a state of law where the rights of children or rights of children are supposed to be respected. It's regrettable that these children have spent their first 1 year in prison for what they don't know anything about. It's a very false situation, and we keep on calling on the government of Cameroon to do everything possible to ensure that these children find their liberty together with their parents who are accused of with very funny allegations. It's very regrettable in a state of law. So I don't understand why children or newborn babies should be in prison for what they don't know anything about. Their name has not featured anywhere in all the documents that they are involved in the commission of any crime whatsoever, but I don't know what they are still doing in prison. It's very regrettable that on this same day, on the 18th day of June that were presented in court, these babies were really crying in court. Just tell you that the situation is really a serious call for concern. I'm Amadou Tante, the Executive Secretary of Concerns African, and we have been following this case since day one that these unarmed civilians were arrested in Bamising Ndop, whether under the leadership of a civil commissioner called A1, together with their members of defense and security forces, on the instruction of the senior divisional officer from Ngoketunja division, Mr. Konge Henderson Kwetong. It's very regrettable. Everything is being done in gross violation of their rights, the rights of this suspect or the rights of this accused or defendant. So we keep on calling for their immediate and unconditional release. We are in a state of law, and we should ensure that the respect of the rule of law applies, and equality of law should apply to every citizen irrespective of their status. So children cannot continue to suffer for the crime committed by a certain General Novadai. Thank you.